Hello everyone, welcome back to the map of mathematics. In this video we are going to solve this nice radical problem, and here we have square root of n plus square root of n minus 9 equals to 9, and we will solve this problem for the values of n. So the very first thing we are going to do is, here first we take the square on both of the sides. So if you take the square on both of the sides, then it will be looks like in this form. And after that we will use here the nice square identity. And you know about this identity, if we have a plus b whole square, it is equals to a square plus b square plus 2 times of ab. So now we use here this nice square identity and we find the value of n. So if you focus on the left hand side and you see that this is the value of a and this is the value of b. So now we put the values of a and b in this identity and you get the output in this form, and we have square root of n whole square plus n minus 9 whole square and plus 2 times of ab. So our a is square root of n and our b is square root of n minus 9. And in the right hand side we have 9 square, and 9 square equals to 81. So in the next step here we need a little bit simplifications, and now first you see that these 2 and square root are cancelled by each other and we get n plus, here these two terms are cancelled by each other and we obtain n minus 9, plus here you see that we have the square root on this term and the square root on this term. So now we combine the square root on these two terms and you get 2 times of whole square root of n into n minus 9, and this whole equals to 81. So in the next step here we add or subtract the like terms, and you see that we have this is n plus n and it is equals to 2 times of n, and now we move this minus 9 to the right hand side and you obtain 2 times of square root of, here we multiply this n on both of the terms and you obtain n square minus 9n, and equals to 81. When we move this minus n in the right hand side, it will becomes plus 9. And now we again make a little bit simplification. So here you take common 2 on the left hand side and you get n plus square root of n square minus 9n, and it is equals to 81 plus 9 equals to 90. And now you see that we have 2 be the common expression on both of the sides, so that we will divide both of the sides by 2 and you get its output in this form. So here you see that these 2 and 2 are cancelled by each other, and in the left hand side we get n plus square root of n square minus 9 times of n equals to, here we cancel these terms and you get 45. So here you get 45. And in the next step we again take the square on both of the sides, but now here first we move this n to the right hand side and we take the square term on the left hand side and you get n square minus 9 times of n equals to 45 minus n. And in the next step we again take the square on both of the sides in this way and you get these 2 and square root are cancelled by each other and we obtain n square minus 9 times of n equals to, here we again apply the square identity here and we get its output in this form, 45 square plus n square minus 2 times of 45 into n. And now you focus on both of the sides and you see that this is plus n square and this is also plus n square, and these are cancelled by each other, and in the left hand side we get only minus 9 times of n, and in the right hand side we have 45 square, and we multiply this 2 times of 45 and n, and you get here 2 times of 45 is 90 into n. And here because we need to find the value of n, so we combine the terms involving n in the one side and all the other terms in the other side. So here we move this minus 90 times of n in the left hand side, and it will becomes 90n minus 9n equals to 45 square, and you see that 90n minus 9n equals to 81 times of n, and we have 45 square and we write it as 45 times of 45. So in the next step we move 81 to the right hand side, and we obtain its output in this form: n equals to 45 multiplied by 45 and it whole divided by 81. We move this 81 in the right hand side. So now we cancelled these terms. Now we cancelled these two terms by the table of 9, and you see that 9 nines are 81 and 9 fives are 45. And again you see here 9 fives are 45. So you get 5 fives are, we multiply these two terms, and 5 fives are 25. So this is the our final answer of this question. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.